How I fix my self-doubt. Self-doubt can be a difficult challenge to overcome, but several strategies can help you address and manage it. 1. Challenge negative self-talk. When you notice negative thoughts creeping into your mind, try to identify the evidence for and against those thoughts. Then, try to reframe those thoughts in a more positive and realistic light. 2. Focus on your strengths. Make a list of your strengths and accomplishments, and remind yourself of them regularly. Recognize your abilities and what you have accomplished in the past. 3. Practice self-compassion. Be kind and gentle with yourself, and recognize that everyone has doubts and fears from time to time. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that makes you would show to be a good friend. 4. Take action. Sometimes, taking action is the best way to overcome self-doubt. Set small goals for yourself, and work towards achieving them. With each small success, your confidence will grow. 5. Seek support. Talk to a trusted friend, family member, or therapist about your self-doubt. They can provide you with encouragement, guidance, and a fresh perspective. Remember that overcoming self-doubt is a process. It may take time and effort. But with patience and persistence, you can learn to manage your doubts and fear and develop a more positive and confident outlook on life. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe. It makes you awesome.